space of customs GST pavilion. And I'll be meeting Uday Shankar and Sajeev Balakrishnan. Well, my destination will be Cartoon Mosque. As you can see, this is the entire space.
दूर कहीं पास आइए हमारे सीमा शुल्क एवं जीएसटी पवेलियन के, लेकिन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए, कोविड रूल्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए मास्क जरूर पहनिएगा, मास्क करिएगा। मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना है क्योंकि माइक पे मुझे बोलना है, लेकिन आप लोग मास्क जरूर पहनिएगा। ये हमारी सुरक्षा के लिए, ये आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए है। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग जरूर मेंटेन रखिएगा और अपना ख्याल रखिए और शो देखिए।
दोस्त और होस्ट आपका जीएसटी और सीमा शुल्क पवेलियन में बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि जो दूर खड़े हैं वो पास आ जाए, ताकि हमें अपनी बात कहने में आसानी हो और आपको ये नाटक पूरी तरह से समझ में आए। तो ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए आपको सीधा लेकर चलते हैं अपने नुक्कड़ नाटक की ओर।
मैं हूँ यानी कि डायरेक्टर। पिछले काफी समय से मैं एक फिल्म बनाना चाहता हूँ, सिर्फ एक फिल्म, और वो भी मेरी फिल्म कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रही है। और भी कैसे? मैंने एक ऐसे एक्टर को कास्ट कर लिया जिसको पहले फिल्म से ही टाइम नहीं है, डेट नहीं दे रहा है, प्रोड्यूसर कहाँ है कुछ भी पता नहीं है, और तो और मेरी हीरोइन स्पॉट बॉय के साथ भाग गई। अब ये बताइए ऐसे में मेरी फिल्म कैसे बनेगी? और मैंने मल्टी टैलेंटेड कैमरामैन हायर किया, वो भी आजकल पता नहीं गुमशुदा हो जाता है। अरे कैमरामैन!
आ गया।
तो मैं डांस करूं। ये बता तू था क्या?
अरे सर, प्रगति मैदान में फिर से ट्रेड फेयर शुरू हो गया।
अरे वाह! प्रगति मैदान में फिर से ट्रेड फेयर शुरू हो गया।
तो मैं वहाँ घूमने चला गया था, आने में देर हो गई, लेकिन आप क्यों इतना परेशान हो रहे हैं?
परेशानी का कारण
मैं?
हाँ तुम।
हाँ क्यों?
अरे भाई ये बताओ, प्रगति मैदान में ट्रेड फेयर शुरू हुआ और ये कैमरामैन घूमने चला गया। हाँ, प्रोड्यूसर का कोई अता पता नहीं है, और भाई हीरो टाइम नहीं दे रहा मुझे, हीरोइन स्पॉट बॉय के साथ भाग गई। मुझे ये बताओ कि मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ या घसिया? अरे कौन बोला?
अरे सर, ये तो आपके दिल की आवाज है।
अरे तो दिल की आवाज जुबान पे आ गई, इसका मतलब छोड़ो इन बातों को यार। ये बताओ मुझे कि मेरी जो ये फिल्म है ये बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी? इस समस्या का समाधान तुम्हारे पास है कुछ?
जी हाँ सर, आपकी इस समस्या का समाधान है।
क्या है बताओ?
तभी तो मैं ट्रेड फेयर घूमने गया था।
बताओ।
आपको पता है कि भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने में सीमा शुल्क और जीएसटी प्रशासन एक प्रमुख भूमिका निभाता है।
अरे वाह!
तो आप जो फिल्म बनाएंगे, मतलब हम जो फिल्म बनाएंगे, उस फिल्म का नाम होगा सीमा शुल्क और जीएसटी के साथ आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ओर।
अरे वाह कैमरामैन, क्या टाइटल दिया तुमने! सीमा शुल्क और जीएसटी के साथ आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ओर।
सर, इसीलिए तो कहते हैं
क्या?
जीएसटी में आपका योगदान
करता है आत्मनिर्भर भारत का निर्माण।
सर, आप खुद देख लीजिए ना।
चलो।
अप्रत्यक्ष कर आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए एक रोड मैप तैयार करता है।
जीएसटी प्रशासन आत्मनिर्भर भारत के उद्देश्यों में एक प्रमुख भूमिका निभाता है।
विश्व स्तर पर होने वाले कंपटीशन में मदद करने के लिए भारतीय कंपनियों के सामने आने वाली चुनौतियों का समाधान करता है।
जी हाँ, और इसके साथ कर प्रशासन को सरल बनाता है ताकि सभी करदाताओं को अपना कर दायित्व निभाने में आसानी हो सके, और इसके साथ ही उद्योग को भी सरल बनाता है, सुगम बनाता है।
अरे वाह कैमरामैन, क्या बात कही तुमने! अरे वाह, तुमने जो बात कही, ये जीएसटी और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की वजह से भारत का आत्मनिर्भर बनना हुआ और भी आसान। अरे वाह कैमरामैन, अगर मैं इस सब्जेक्ट पे इस टॉपिक पे, इस विषय में फिल्म बनाता तो मुझे ऑस्कर लेने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता है।
ऑस्कार सर, ऑस्कार। इसीलिए तो जीएसटी में आपका योगदान करना है आत्मनिर्भर भारत का निर्माण। सर अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है।
जल्दी चलो।
चलो भाई, अब घर का ना सारा काम खत्म हो गया, अब मुझे जाना चाहिए दुकान में राशन लेने। भैया कैसे हो?
नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
मैडम आपका सारा सामान पैक हो गया, कहो तो टोटल कर दूं?
कर दो भैया, कर दो।
मैडम।
मैंने टूथपेस्ट लिखा था उसमें।
नहीं मैडम, टूथपेस्ट तो नहीं लिखवाई आप।
तो दो ना टूथपेस्ट भी जल्दी से।
मैडम टूथपेस्ट का बड़ा वाला पैक दे दूं? हाँ, जीएसटी मिलाने के बाद हुए पूरे 212 रुपए। हाँ भैया 212 पूरे।
कोई भी चीज कर सकते हैं इससे मेंटेन के हिसाब से। फ्रस्ट्रेशन ना, इसके अलावा आपको गाना गाना है, डांस करना है ना, डांस वाले प्लीज 2 मिनट आप स्टेज पे वेट। ये अभी मैं 2 मिनट बाद फिल्म लाऊंगी, इसलिए आप 2 मिनट बाद आइएगा। पहले एक सिंगिंग है और डांस है। एक छोटी सी बच्ची हमारे पास आई है, बहुत छोटी है।
आ जाओ तो एक फोटो लेते हैं।
सबसे पहले अपना नाम बताओ। यशी अरोड़ा हमारे साथ है। आप कितने साल के हो? 5 इयर्स की है। गाना गाना चाहती है, गाना गा दो। बहुत क्यूट हो। स्टार्ट।
मास्क हटा दें।
हाँ, मास्क
कोई आपकी फ्रेंड हो ना, या क्या बताओ।
चलो बना लिया। वाह, स्माइल।
ओके, अच्छी तरह सुनिए। कोई नहीं, हम आपको दोबारा चांस देंगे।
ये आपका है।
ये पपेट शो जो है, पहले एक छोटी सी डांस परफॉर्मेंस करा रहे हैं, उसका पपेट शो है। ये जो छोटे बच्चे डांस करना चाहते हैं, मैं चाहूंगी आप इनके आओ, स्टेज पे आओ और इनका डांस हो जाए, उसके बाद आप गाना गा लेना, ठीक है? पहले डांस परफॉर्मेंस पपेट शो है, आपको नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि मॉन्टी के साथ पपेट शो है। तो म्यूजिक लगा दीजिए, क्योंकि बच्चे डांस करना चाहते हैं।
आप खड़ा हो ना। ये ले जाओ। देख के बनाना है, वो खुद बनाना चाहिए तो बना।
अच्छा अपनी तरफ से बना सकते हैं
अगर आपको सॉन्ग में डांस में मजा आए तो स्लो क्लैप कर लीजिएगा। मजा नहीं आ रहा मतलब। 8 साल की बच्ची परफॉर्म कर रही है।
You can sit over there also, sir. Sir, if you want, you can sit over there also. Yeah, actually sitting. You can sit over there.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। मतलब आप डांस सीख रहे हो या फिर ये आपको टैलेंट मिला है कुदरत। ऐसे ही डांस था, बहुत बढ़िया डांस था। मैं तो चाहूँगी हमारे कस्टम्स एंड जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट के नवनीत सर आए और इनको प्राइज दें। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू, आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करा। अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ, लेकिन क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है। बच्चों से पूछूंगी, अभी हम स्टेज से उतरते हैं, ठीक है? बच्चों से पूछूंगी, मुझे कस्टम्स का हिंदी वर्ड बता दो। मम्मी पापा हेल्प नहीं करेंगे। कस्टम्स का हिंदी वर्ड, कस्टम्स को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कोई भी बच्चा मुझे बता सकता है। थोड़ी देर में ये नल एंड वॉइड हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन। अच्छा, मैं बच्चों को हिंट देती हूँ, आपको यही पवेलियन में इसका आंसर कहीं मिल जाएगा। आई थिंक बड़ों को भी नहीं पता, चीटिंग नहीं करवा पा रहे हैं। तो इसका आंसर यही नहीं है और इस आप आंसर ढूंढिए। तब तक मैं हमारे जो सर आए हैं यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स के, नीलेश बल्हारा सर जो जूडो चैंपियन है, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, वो बस जा ही रहे हैं। तो हम उनका शुक्रिया करने के लिए उनका इनको स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहेंगे और उसके बाद मुझे आंसर चाहिए आप सबसे। आंसर मिल गया?
मैम सीना से।
फिर से बोल दो।
सीना से।
आप सही से प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर रहे हो, फिर से बोलो।
सीना से।
नहीं, गलत है। सीना सिंह नहीं है, कुछ गलत है सर, नहीं है। सीना सिंह नहीं है। अरे नहीं सर, कोई नहीं। मैं चाहूँगी हमारे श्री नीलेश बल्हारा जी जो जूडो गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप 2018 कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स 2018 के, सर आप यहाँ पे आए इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और सर हमारे साथ हमारे कस्टम्स और जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट के साथ जुड़े हैं और स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को, एमिनेंट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को कस्टम्स और जीएसटी बहुत अच्छा रिक्रूटमेंट और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देता है। सर हम चाहेंगे आप इसी तरीके से आते रहिए, हमसे मिलते रहिए और हम सबका प्रोत्साहन करते रहिए। थैंक यू सो मच सर आने के लिए, थैंक्स अ लॉट। और सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि सर को सोवेनियर दीजिए। विनोद कुमार सर प्लीज श्री नीलेश बल्हारा जी को आप सोवेनियर दीजिए। एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए। ये हमारे जूडो के वर्ल्ड चैंपियन लेवल पे कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं जिनकी आप वीडियो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं। नीलेश बल्हारा जी, वन टाइम लास्ट, जोर से तालियां। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच सर। अभी मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, कस्टम्स को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? आंसर ढूंढ लिया? लेकिन चीटिंग हो गई ना। अभी इस क्वेश्चन को तो नल एंड वॉइड करना पड़ेगा। मैं तो सीमा शुल्क बोलते हैं, लेकिन ये अभी इन्होंने गिफ्ट जीत लिया है, प्राइस आपने जीत लिया ना। तो मैं अभी एक और क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, उसका मुझे जवाब दे दीजिए। थोड़ा सा मैं भी चीट कर लेती हूँ, मेरे पास लिखे हैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन, उसमें से पढ़ लेती हूँ।
ओके जी,
ठीक है, हो गया।
ओके ठीक है। मुझे बताइए कि व्हाट आर चैनल्स ऑफ क्लियरेंस एट एयरपोर्ट? कोई भी जो पहले हाथ खड़ा करेगा, एयरपोर्ट पे क्लियरेंस के चैनल्स कितने होते हैं और उनके नाम बता दीजिए। व्हाट आर चैनल्स ऑफ क्लियरेंस एट एयरपोर्ट? कितने चैनल होते हैं और उनका नाम बता दीजिए। कस्टम्स में कह रही हूँ मैं, कस्टम्स में क्लियरेंस। सर आपको पता है, स्टेज पे आ जाइए। सर के माइक लाइए प्लीज। सर बताएंगे व्हाट आर चैनल्स ऑफ क्लियरेंस एट एयरपोर्ट?
यस सर।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया है सर ने। 2 चैनल्स होते हैं, ग्रीन चैनल एंड रेड चैनल। सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी अपने महावीर सर से कि सर प्लीज आइए और इनको प्राइज दीजिए आप। सर अपना नाम बताइए।
सर तो उदय शंकर जी हैं, आपका शुभ नाम सर?
मोहित जैन जी ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया है कि एयरपोर्ट पे क्लियरेंस के 2 चैनल होते हैं कस्टम्स में, रेड चैनल एंड ग्रीन चैनल। सर महावीर सर आप प्राइज दीजिएगा। एंड इसके अलावा शायद कोई बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस रेडी है यहाँ पे, मैं पता करती हूँ। और अगर किसी को सिंगिंग करनी है वो भी स्टेज पे आके सिंगिंग कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच। कोई बच्चा था यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस के साथ रेडी है? नहीं है? ठीक है, अगर किसी को सिंगिंग करनी है या गेम खेलना है तो मुझे बताइए। मैंने एक गेम दिया था 1 2 3 4, जिसको 1 2 कोई हमारे साथ जीत के गए हैं। उसके अलावा भी अगर कोई गेम जीतना चाहता है तो वो भी जीत सकता है। 1 2 3 4 ऑल्टरनेट करके 25 तक काउंटिंग बोलनी है, एक इंग्लिश एक हिंदी। और एक मैंने टंग ट्विस्टर भी दिया था, वो अभी तक किसी ने नहीं बोला। बेटी बॉट अ बिट ऑफ बटर बट द बटर वाज बिटर सो बेटी बॉट सम मोर बटर टू मेक द बिटर बटर बेटर। ये 3 बार बोलना है। बेटी बॉट अ बिट।
यस सर। नो। Do you also paint, sir?
Yeah. Only digital painting. I don't.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir. मैं आ रही हूँ वापस स्टेज पे। तो बच्चों ने डांस परफॉर्म किया है।
These are characters more resemble from the Kerala.
Right. That's right.
Well, I find more like, you know, looking characters from Malgudi days.
Ah, yeah, right. That's right.
Okay, sir, बहुत देर से
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It hardly took you more than less than 5 seconds.
Yeah, less than 1
Yeah?
minute, 2 minutes.
Less than 5 seconds.
I can draw more characters like this.
So have you set any record kind of stuff like for your
Yeah, I got a Limca record in this.
Limca records?
Yeah, that's
So
fastest in India.
like for how many cartoons? Like what kind of record was that?
That's 651 in 12 hours.
Wow. Within 2 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours.
I think power's back now. I'll be performing.
So do you also use colors also?
Ah, yeah, I do. I can show you even.
Yashika Arora or Yashi Arora?
This is our one of our senior officers back in Kerala.
Okay.
So I keep on drawing like this. It's basically black and white drawing.
Okay.
Then I color it, paint on the system on it, on
Uh-huh.
this one. Now the black and white drawings are there.
So you're also working with the income tax department, right?
I'm a joint commissioner.
Oh my God. You are a joint commissioner.
Yeah.
With income tax department.
Right.
I'm videographing you. I'm scared. So why you want to do cartoons? Like what inspired you to be a cartoonist? Have you learned it?
I learned it. Yeah, in 1976, I learned a 6-month postal course for my famous institute called Shantanu Chitra Vidyalayam in Chennai.
In Kerala?
No, Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu.
It is one of the premier institutes in India.
Okay.
Basically catering to whole of India, but mostly to South India.
Okay.
So there are now at present there are so many alumni of this institute across Kerala.
Right.
So many are there. The thing is that many of the people just dropped midway but I pursued the art. I kept on pursuing.
While working with the income tax department, you
I
are
kept
working.
on pursuing. I was
Okay.
just, I drew a lot of cartoons. Kerala is a hub of cartoonists. You know, it's a hub of cartoonists. In 70s and 80s, it was a smoldering pot of cartoonists. So I was one among them. I used to draw a lot of cartoons. Then once I joined the department in 88, I stopped political cartooning altogether. I turned to caricaturing because this way I can make people happy. And second thing is that I can make inroads to any group. Anywhere I can go in the world.
It will not be controversial.
Yeah.
It will be much more
And
smoother.
what I like most is lampooning myself.
Like?
I make caricatures on myself, my wife, my son, and my amma.
Yeah, I've seen that.
So and my amma is also like very much lampooning her. So that way I've been pretty very lucky. And my father only made me join the Shantanu Chitra Vidyalaya postally. So
Okay.
he allowed me to draw on the white walls of the ancestral house.
Okay.
Number of drawings I had made, but usually people don't allow because he had siblings who was not that much inclined to have me draw on the wall. But
Okay.
he allowed that. He was being a senior man. He allowed me that. So that was a great inspiration for me. After that, he made me join this postal course. Then after that, I began to a little bit of draw. Once I joined college in 1978, I began to profusely draw.
Okay.
So those 5 years were my, practice time. The 5 years.
So do you also paint like it's only cartooning? Or?
I used to paint at that time, but then not that profusely, very minimally only. But then here I digitally paint. With my bare sense of color, I paint on this.
So tell me one thing frankly. Do you like your pen, actual pen, physical pen, and the ink, or the digital tablet while working?
This.
You love this?
Yes, because the thing is with this, that people have a fascination for this nostalgia. I would say that every art form, everything in this world have come after evolution, a series of evolution. Everything in this world, even the chair, whatever in the shape of this thing,
Okay.
or the handle of this thing, there
Right.
are many things. So everything has evolved after a long time, after a number of years. So there is no point in sticking to the old regimen.
Okay.
I would say it is foolish.
Okay.
For me, this is good, and I've been drawing on the paper also. But the thing is that this is a fantastic property of undo. Suppose I draw a miscued line.
Got it.
There is no way I can see.
You can't. You can't.
I can show you. These are the lines. See, it is bad.
Right.
I just threw it away. So, but then here I can, without throwing it away, without discarding altogether, I can just keep on amending it, keep on altering it until I get the perfect picture.
Right.
So that's the best thing, and also the output will be more. It will be clear.
Okay.
There is no nothing. You can take anything. See this. You can take anything. The output is terrific. Output it has got.
True.
Yeah. It is done in a minute.
You can play with the image. Whatever you want.
Everything is done in a minute. Actually, one minute or 5 seconds, just that.
So what tablet? What tools you use right now?
There's only this iPad.
This is the iPad.
I've been using it for the last 3 months only.
Okay.
So before that, I've come here for last 7 years. I've been coming here in November for the trade fair. But every time I've been drawing in this is designed by me. This is designed by me. So this one is designed. So I've been drawing only on this.
Okay.
But then now I have come with this.
Okay.
So what I do is just draw on a page, then I send it by WhatsApp to the
Okay.
person.
So this much better than the paper one.
Much better.
Okay.
Sir, you can just turn around. Just turn.
आप ऐसे घूम जाइए, वो आपको देख के बनाएंगे.
क्या बनाऊँ?
Caricature, cartoon.
आपकी ड्राइंग करेंगे.
उससे क्या फायदा?
No, for me only. For a shoot, for a small video.
नीचे कर लीजिए.
अगर निकलना ऊपर.
इससे क्या बेनिफिट है मेरे को?
आपको कोई भी नहीं. आपको he's running an art channel, not YouTube. So that's for that. Ready?
Yeah, please.
So
इससे मतलब क्या हुआ?
No, just a portrait. Just a portrait. I can send it to you. Bring it down. If you give me your WhatsApp number, I will send it to you. Free. Do you need this? Do you need the caricature?
आपको चाहिए?
No, it does not. That's scared, I think.
Sajib sir,
Yeah.
I will ask few things.
Yeah.
Say caricature.
Shall I close it?
Yeah. So caricature it requires a lot of discipline.
Yeah.
It requires a lot of concentration also,
Yeah.
and it's kind of a thing where you practice every day.
Yeah.
So how you find the time?
The thing is that fortunately I got a Limca record. The Limca record is for being the fast speed.
Okay.
For the I drew some 11 years back. I drew some 651 caricatures in 12 hours.
Wow.
That was in a feat at Cochin.
Okay.
That is, in fact, that is not conducted just to enhance my thing, but nothing like that. But it's just to enhance the standing of the reputation of the Kerala Cartoon Academy,
Okay.
of which I was a member, active member.
Okay.
So we thought something should be there to just to invite the interest of people. So that was done. Fortunately, I got this thing. But all the records, as you know, will be broken, are to be broken. So
Right.
definitely be broken. So I should not cling on to that, and also I should not be proud of my what I have of this talent, because that is not built. I mean, very laboriously by me. It was some streak of drawing skill was there in me,
Right.
and incrementally that I began to build up over the years.
Okay.
So there is nothing to be proud of by me, because see, none of my family members has got this talent. Only I got this talent. So naturally, it is nothing. It is sheer luck.
And your practice and your dedication.
And also the good thing is that I have been able to make people happy across states, even across countries.
Okay.
So whenever I find nationalities of other nationalities in Cochin, where I live.
Right.
So just if I find that if I got a pad and pen with me, and you find that they're of adequately caricaturable face, I
Right.
just
You
take
just do
out
it.
my pad and draw and just give them. So
Wow.
that's my pleasure. But the much more immense pleasure is, especially in a place like this, Trade Fair is happening in Delhi.
Right.
I draw some 2,000 caricatures for 12-13 days usually for my department, income tax department.
Okay.
The real pleasure is in the knowledge that I will not be seeing 90% of these people again.
True.
So they don't know. I don't know where they're going to be dissolved in. So I don't know how they're going to treat my caricature. So that knowledge, that is really thrilling.
Okay.
So some people might not be, cherishing this caricature. Some might be throwing just that, like anything. But still, the thought,
Right.
that thrills me, enthralls me.
Okay.
That is the biggest part of my caricature.
That is the biggest part. Have you exhibited your caricatures?
Only
ever?
once. Only because one my
In India?
in India, Cochin only.
Okay.
Only. And that is in 2000, 21 years back.
Okay.
When the department asked me to conduct a exhibition.
Okay.
That's my first time, and I didn't have this thing also, this board and all. So one of my artist friends, one Kaladharan, in Kochi, he gave me the mounting board and all.
Okay.
And that is a one-day thing, and that is what I'm not. See, I'm a gypsy caricaturist,
Right.
gypsy artist. I
Okay.
just move around and keep on drawing, just like drew this gentleman. So that's my thrill. I don't know this person. I don't want to know more about him also.
Right.
I don't want to remember him.
Okay.
But then the thing is that I can just look at him, and if I can find this pleasure in his face, I'm very happy.
Right.
And I just don't carry the dead weight of my pleasure around.
Right.
So it is like that. So I don't believe in exhibition.
Okay.
And not that it is not a good thing. For it's a very very good thing for many in different facets.
Right.
But for me, it is not needed.
What do you think about, do you think you need a kind of a museum in India for cartoons and for caricatures? We don't have. We don't have anything.
Museum is everywhere. It's almost like a dead place. It's more like a cemetery.
Right.
So we can just brandish that this thing, the existence of a museum. But the thing is that most of the people won't be visiting a museum unless compelled to. So
okay.
the thing,
Okay.
that's my thinking of that.
Okay.
The better thing is that that necessity of school children to laugh at themselves. They are unnecessarily tense. They are always hooked onto their mobile phones.
Right.
Which is I think which is a sin as always, which is also a crime also to
And,
humanity.
and during this COVID time, it's happening more.
It's a crime. It's a crime to themselves and to their parents. to the society as well.
Okay.
They just have to look around how people are toiling, how people are struggling, how people are poor. And most of the people are reluctant to express their poverty.
Right.
So those things they have to look around and just understand how fortunate they are in this world.
True.
I do believe in that. So museum is not necessary, I would say, compared to this.
Okay. So but the thing is like we have collections of paintings and sculptures
Yes.
in different galleries and different
Yes.
museums.
Yes.
But we don't see collections of cartoons or caricatures anywhere in India.
But then there is one. There is a.
We don't have any documentation of those works.
documentation. That's right. That's right. In Bangalore, there is an Indian Institute of Cartoonists is there.
Okay.
That is run by cartoonist Narendra. So they've got a collection of books, and also some regularly they conduct cartoon exhibition. I think
Okay.
they conduct the best cartoon exhibitions in India right now.
Okay.
And there is a Kerala Cartoon Academy based in Kerala.
Okay.
So we got almost 150 cartoonists are there.
Okay.
And we conduct online exhibitions also nowadays. Very good exhibitions, and we are planning to archive all the works of all the cartoonists, big and small, in Kerala.
Okay.
That will be happening soon.
Okay. So that will be something like it's a physical thing, or it will be like online only.
No, a physical thing. Actually, we want to make it in the form of a DVD, 3-4 DVDs, then send the DVDs free of cost to everybody, and
Okay.
also post it online so that anybody can access it.
So are you also teaching? Are you also giving any kind of demonstrations to?
Demo. So, what did you say?
So it's like do you also give demonstrations in schools for school children?
Yes, yes. That's my intense passion. In fact, just like meeting people on the road, I just giving them caricature gifts.
Right.
My main passion is just teaching people.
Okay.
Just telling people how to doodle, and any doodle is a cartoon, and anybody is a cartoonist. That's my motto. That's a slogan I want to spread. Anybody is a cartoonist, and whatever you draw is already a cartoon. So there is a famous cartoonist called Leigh Yonig in Australia who has got multiple Pulitzer prizes. He draws like a child, so 5-year-old child. But then the content,
Right.
the intensity of the cartoon is is telling. So that way, doodle, the quality of the doodle is not an issue if the content is significant.
Right.
Any non-copyrighted music you can carry.
Right. So thing is like the works you have done. These are digitally done right now in a soft form.
Yeah.
There's a soft copy. So are you also doing a kind of a documentation of all these works? Will it be there somewhere? So people can refer to
Yes,
it, people can see those things.
Yeah, I've drawn almost 1 lakh caricatures so far, because I've been doing this only from my 20th year perhaps.
Right.
And since I joined the government department in 1988,
Right.
I stopped political cartooning altogether.
Right.
And I conveniently turned to caricaturing, which got me a lot of friends also. That way I'm very happy.
Okay.
And I was, as I told you, I'm a gypsy artist. My thinking, my style is gypsy.
Right.
So I don't see. I've been coming here for the last 8 years. So I don't go even to the nearest stall, because I'm not a consumerist. I'm coming from Kerala, the consumerist state, but I'm
Right.
not a consumerist kind of person. I don't find any kind of fascination in seeing things and purchasing things.
Okay.
Observing, that comes naturally to me. But like that, documentation is. I'm not keen on documentation, but then
Otherwise,
many
the
people
works
told
will-
many
the works
people
will
told
be lost.
me.
The works will be lost.
Yeah, thousands. Many people told me that this is to be done. Then I have been doing that for the last some 20,000 drawings must be with me now. Graphic, digital caricatures. So many years.
Do you have any website where people can go and
I blog.
you can-
I have
You
got
have a
some
blog.
35 blogs are there.
Okay.
So all the events are converted into blogs. Even this event I will convert into blog once I get to Kochi.
Okay.
I convert into blog. IATF 2021.
So
That'll be the
please let us know about your blogs,
I will do
because
that.
I'll
I will
mention
do
those
that.
blogs
Yeah.
in this
I blogged
description
upon
box.
my department, the training institutes,
Okay.
and wherever I have gone, and also the crowding functions in Kochi where I am invited. So those all things I make a blog. Then I got my first blog was called Kerala. That is a Malayalam blog on
Okay.
Malayalam bloggers. The main bloggers have 120 bloggers are there in that.
Okay.
Then I got one more Malayalam famous blog is there.
Okay.
Then I got 1 minute caricatures. There's another blog, train caricatures. I used to travel extensively in unreserved compartments
Okay.
and watching people and doing caricatures of ordinary people,
Okay.
which I like very much. The uncelebrated people.
Right.
So I converted into this train caricatures.
Okay.
So the documentation part is that much.
So you used to draw caricatures while traveling by train.
Yes.
Wow.
Even now, even from Chennai to Kochi,
Uh-huh.
I commute once in 2 weeks. So naturally, I'll be seeing people around.
Mm-hmm.
So I give them draw by this iPad and the caricatures. And nowadays, I don't give them since I don't draw on paper, I'm not able to give them physically. What I do is just them WhatsApp the caricatures do.
Right.
But that does not give me the immense pleasure that I have been deriving from handing over the paper caricatures.
Okay.
So that is.
Any special moment you remember as a cartoonist or as a caricaturist?
Yes,
Any
yes.
particular character you remember, like while drawing?
The caricature is my amma, my mother. My
Okay.
mother, she died 4 years back at the age of 91. She was my greatest fan ever. So whatever I drew, even I draw a single line, she would be laughing at it for a long time. Because of the intense natural passion, love towards her son, motherly love.
Right.
So that such kind of adulation I have never seen anywhere. And any kind of happening or adulation is nothing compared to what I have got from her. So I don't remember anything else. Compared to this, everything pales away.
Everything feels.
Everything pales. This honestly I'm saying. As I told you, you can just fathom my. I told you I'm not a consumerist kind of person. I'm a gypsy kind of. I got a gypsy kind of attitude. But this kind of thing that stays for me a long time. Even the love of my cat. We have got 9 cats at home.
Wow.
So, yeah. So this all thrills me. The kind of we don't even. It was in the COVID period. I happened to watch how a cat behaves. How it conducts its family,
Okay.
The intensity of its love towards its children,
Right.
those kind of things I was never aware of, or I did not have the passion to notice. But then I began to slowly live with other living beings.
Right.
So that's a great lesson for me in the COVID times. So many
You're more close to nature. You're more close to
right.
animals and human beings.
Many things, many organisms are perishing every day,
Right.
Without giving a clue to the human being as to the intricacies of its existence.
Right.
I'm a science man,
Right.
so the extinction, many things are endangered. So everything has got its own natural survival techniques, unique features which never a human can claim. So we know nothing compared to. So I have a lot of adulation for the scientists, the scientific community. I don't believe in religion. I have adulation for science. I'm a science man.
Right.
Because I don't have to explain that. Science
Right.
only serve people.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you, sir, and it was a complete
Thank you
pleasure.
very much. It was a surprise that I met you, and I'm very fortunate that you got a caricatural face also, which I happen to celebrate in the form of a caricature yesterday itself.
Thank you, sir. It's my privilege.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you for.
And thank you, this gentleman also.
Yes.
Yes, for being a subject to me
Yes.
unexpectedly.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Please support Artkeeper, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.
क्या बात है, तालियां बहुत हल्की हैं, सीधी रहे। अभी यहाँ पे एक छोटे बच्चे डांस करना चाहते हैं। अभी तो आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है। एक छोटा बच्चा आया था जो डांस करना चाहता है। आप भी डांस करना चाहते हो, आप भी डांस करना चाहते हो? ओके, 1 by 1 है, ठीक है। पहले कुछ छोटे बच्चों के पास आया था। मैम एक छोटा बच्चा पहले से आया, उसके बाद इनकी हम परफॉर्मेंस करवाएंगे और एक सर भी हमारे साथ हैं जो शायद गिटार के सॉन्ग कुछ मैं सर आपसे पूछूंगी, कुछ ढंग से क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन पहले बच्चे का डांस परफॉर्मेंस करवा देते हैं। स्टैंड प्लीज हटा लीजिए और
Hobby? What's a hobby? Eh? Drafting. Drafting what? Oh, really? Crafting हो रही है.
इसके साथ साथ हमारे पास
Show your hair. बाल दिखाओ.
परफॉर्मेंस है जो इन सारे परफॉर्मेंस के बाद होगा। तो इनके लिए सॉन्ग अभी नहीं है हमारे पास। अभी देखिए कभी हम सॉन्ग करेंगे, उनका सॉन्ग बन रहा है। इसके बाद ये छोटी बच्ची परफॉर्म करेगी डांस, राइट। और नुक्कड़ नाटक भी होगा जिसमें हमारे आर्टिस्ट जो है दिल्ली और
Sandeep, she is a lawyer, okay?
तो वो आपके लिए
Is it?
बहुत ही प्यारा सा नुक्कड़ नाटक कार्यक्रम
Madam, make a lawyer.
Yeah, you can. You can make it right.
I'll make a lawyer.
आपको जो नई स्कीम आई है, जो नया ऐप आया, सब बता सबका एक परफॉर्मेंस होगा। पहले डांस परफॉर्मेंस है। म्यूजिक रेडी है क्या? म्यूजिक रेडी हो रहा है और बच्चे बिल्कुल रेडी है डांस करने के लिए। आप दोनों डांस करने वाले हो। थोड़ा स्पेस आउट हो जाइए। ठीक है ना अभी? हाँ, तो मैं स्टेज से नीचे उतर जाती हूँ। डांस नहीं आता बच्चों को आता है। पूरी डांस कर रही है। उसके अलावा हम लोग करना चाहेंगे 2 घंटे बाद आप दोबारा आके यहाँ पे सिंगिंग डांस या दूसरे राउंड में जीत सकते हैं। क्विज भी यहाँ पे है। क्विज अगर आप खेलते हैं तो क्विज खेल के उसे जीत के आप प्राइज जीत सकते हैं। 2 घंटे बाद फिर से मैं क्लिप्स कराऊंगी। अभी ये डांस परफॉर्मेंस होगी। ये छोटी बच्ची की और डांस परफॉर्मेंस होगी और फिर गाना कैसे बंद हो गया? इतना मजा आ रहा था देख के, परफॉर्मेंस इतनी एनर्जी थी, लेकिन बहुत ही खूबसूरती से आपने डांस करा। आपको हम गिफ्ट जरूर देना
Super.
चाहेंगे।
Sanjeev sir, I'll take this from you on an email.
Yeah, I can give me your email.
Correct हो जाएगा. You just have to.
Yeah, I will send to you or email ID is it?
Yeah, email ID से भेज देना.
Yeah.
So nice.
They can frame it and like this will be a remembrance.
I love it.
Sanjeev
Thank
sir.
you.
Oh, yes, thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Michael, I'm sitting there.
He is also caricature. This is GST pavilion. This is income tax.
संदीप चौधरी यहाँ पे आए हैं, जिनसे अभी कुछ देर पहले काफी लोग मिलके गए थे। आप भी मिलना चाहते हैं तो वो यहीं पे ही है, बस निकलने वाले हैं। तो एक बार सर को जाने का मौका देते हैं, उसके बाद बच्चों का डांस करवाती हूँ। और अभी सर बाहर आएंगे तो मैं चाहूँगी आप एक बार उनसे मिलिएगा। वो पैरालंपिक में जैवलिन वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है, जैवलिन थ्रो में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है। और उसके बाद मेरी आपकी परफॉर्मेंस जरूर होगी डांस की।
Yes. Okay.
Please start.
Right. The problem is when the real problem is when people with very less caricaturable features
right.
features come.
Uh-huh.
That's a real torture. Actually, that's not even a challenge. That's a torture, in fact.
Okay.
Suppose if sometimes a fleet of people come from a family with no apparent. I would be in real trouble because I lose the balance.
You have to choose and you have to pick. You have to find out.
We have to portray. We have to try to portray, but that is not a challenge. For me, I like caricaturing. I'm looking for the features.
Okay.
So sometimes these people come with not even iota of features. So very, very difficult sometimes. So it is just kills my desire to draw further.
So
It's also there.
So you have to dig hard to find out those things.
Very difficult, very difficult, very difficult.
So for how many years you have been doing this?
I've been doing it for 40 years now.
For 40 years.
40 because I studied in a school called Shantanu Chitra Vidyalayam in Chennai, postally.
Okay.
It won't stop. So blare out like anything.
Okay.
The latest drawings I made. These are all fast drawings, fast drawing, fast coloring.
These are not cartoons. These are more like drawings.
More like drawings,
Yeah.
right? This is all Kerala scenes.
Yeah, from the Kerala.
And these are all Kerala scenes.
Wow. Oh, 1 minute, sir. Wow.
There's so many are there. This is Roy. You can see this.
Just a minute.
This is a common idiom in Kerala. The raft.
Absolutely.
Raft. And also you can see this also this. This was actually this was picturized for a song.
Okay.
This song. It was song was sung by one of my scored by one of my friends.
Okay.
Then it was sung by her.
Wow.
Then I can see some of the. These are the caricatures of the. This was the main director of that song. This is very super fast drawing. This was the music arranger of that song.
Okay.
Then this was the lyricist of that song. So it was this is the first in Kerala, the first song in Kerala to include caricatures and paintings only.
Okay.
In picturization. So that's a credit goes to partly to me as well. So yeah, I think it is everything has been taken, I think. And now it is here. See this. More drawings are here. This sort of part. When the bus goes, some mud is splattered on the white dhoti. Then this is another one. All Kerala icons.
Yeah.
Kerala idioms.
It shows that Kerala thing.
Kerala idioms. Then this is also there.
It shows that Kerala thing.
Yeah. Kerala and the rains, that's the thing.
Yep. Absolutely.
The last one. Yeah, that's all.
So tell me one thing. Do you love your job with income tax department more, or as a cartoonist? Like, what's your life? Like, you choose?
No, actually,
like,
this is for 33 years. Income tax has been supporting me.
Absolutely.
So that is one vital thing, and also one major
it's
thing.
your bread and butter.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Actually, my happiness of my family basically through we want to have some money to pull on.
Right.
So that is provided by only IT.
Absolutely.
So that is one thing. So I could make my mother also happy that way. So
Right.
that is one fundamental thing. Then the thing is that for 33 years I was having the job. At the same time, the department always supported me.
Okay.
They took me around across India for these conventions and all. And also they carried my cartoons and caricatures and whatever publications and everything. They called me for major functions. So that way they supported me throughout, out and out. And also being a income tax man and also cartoonist, together that must have pulled punches. So it is easy access to any grouping.
Right. So it's a great meeting you, sir. Like, it's a new experience. Like, you have been serving in the two different worlds. And you have been doing justice to both the parts.
Yeah, right. And let me check if I can get the WhatsApp also in this. Sorry, but the Facebook must be here. This is my icon.
Okay.
Facebook icon.
Okay.
And you can see a lot of.
Yeah, on Facebook you're known as
Sajeev Balakrishnan. You can see this is the latest picture on drawing on. There is one famous animator, just my neighbor is called Suresh Ariat. He made a famous, very famous. Now it is a trending viral thing called Kandit Tunda. Have seen.
Okay.
So it's a illustration of that. So that has gone viral. Now this is it. I make small anecdotes and all like that, and also make pictures and add pictures to that.
Okay.
Sometimes I add the pictures just like that, like this. I simply drew on the iPad these 5 figures, just added on, kept on adding these figures without any logic or something. Then I thought I should have to carry this on the Facebook. Then I thought I had to append some text also. Then added the text. Then that became viral.
Okay.
So it is also like that. Then this is our Cartoon Academy members. There's a very famous caricaturist called Ratish Ravi.
Okay.
From it's a terrific caricaturist from Kerala. These are all they were first digital caricature show by Kerala Cartoon Academy back in Kerala. This is me. See this. These are on the birthday occasions like this. I always make my own caricatures, lampoon myself.
Okay.
So this is it. I turned 58 just last week. So this is it. The cartoon shows. Did you see this?
Okay.
85.
Yes, yeah, I got it.
85. He's lifting a heavy weight, but I'm not able to weigh. Heave myself up because of my bulk. So, but I'm just lampooning him.
Right.
It's like that. See this? This is 3 faces of mine, just like a jailbird. 58 carrying that. Then
So you'll be continuing cartooning also in future?
yeah, definitely. Yes. I want to sensitize kids. We have to go to schools, neighborhood and sensitize kids. That's my mission in life.
Okay.
This is also my mission in life. Doing caricatures because in any case, the caricatures will be taken home. They will be shown to dear ones at home. They will be very happy. So that I can spread happiness that way. The terrific thrill is not in the drawing. The terrific thrill is in the knowledge that 90% of the people I draw here, I will not be able to see them again, because this is floating crowd. I don't know them. Even if they come 3 days later, I will not be able to distinguish because I am seeing so many people. So that is the terrific, ultimate thrill I am having. So I can carry this out very lightly because I don't think too much about it, because this happened to me. I happen to be an artist, not because of my special training, nothing. I had training, but then basically I had this thing somehow. My family, none of the family members had this thing, so I feel pick it up. So that is, I don't have anything to be proud of in this. As if my own. There is nothing my own thing in it. It is just thrown on me.
Right.
This is me. On the occasion of the 100th birth anniversary of R.K. Lakshman, my icon.
You have done, yes.
I say a common man. I portrayed myself as a common man. And now this is me and my wife. On the Puja day, is a Malayali Navaratri festival. She's a very famous playback singer in Kerala.
Okay.
So, and she's a music teacher also.
Okay.
So like that. This is her cartoons. So this is me and my one of the teachers, cartoon teachers, Yeshudasan. He was the greatest master, cartoon master who recently died. This is me and my wife.
Okay.
This is the way I lampoon myself. This is another person.
So I'll just end it here, and it was nice talking to you. This is your wife?
This is my wife.
Wow.
सच्चाई है जीवन में तो बनी रहे उम्मीद, सच्चाई है जीवन में तो बनी रहे उम्मीद, जीना सीख जीना सीख जीना सीख जीना सीख, पहुंचना अपना पसीना सीख पहुंचना अपना पसीना सीख, सोच डूबे सारा पैसा तो तेरे हाथ क्या आएगा हर कुछ बातों में ध्यान दिया तो बहुत कुछ बच जाएगा कैसे बचाएगा कैसे अपने पैसे से जिंदगी खुशहाल बनाएगा कैसे देश की तरक्की में तू हाथ बटाएगा जब काम है ये
Sir, Vipin is asking whether he will bring the car or not.
Who?
The driver.
No, let me finish with this.
Hello. How are you?
Say hi, hello.
You answered a question, na? No. No, in the quiz. No, there she didn't participate in the quiz. Sure. Hello. You want to have some biscuit? Sure. Let's go. Wait.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Give it to your mother.
Give your email ID. Sir,
Yes.
Sunny. Mobile number.
Mobile number
9873
9873
78 78 70.
Send it today.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Sir, acknowledge करना है आपको email पे कुछ? Yeah, last time we did it.
No, it will reach you at 10 o'clock.
Sorry?
It will reach you at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Sir, के साथ एक photo ले लो.